Okay, let me show you another tool that is absolutely free and it can give you a lot of ideas. It's called Keywords Everywhere. It's a Chrome extension. If you are in Chrome browser and if you just search Keywords Everywhere, click on the first result and then install for Chrome. If you don't have it, then you just click on install for Chrome. Now I already have it, so it says remove from Chrome, but for you, if you don't have this extension, it'll say right here, install now, or something like that. And you can simply install it, okay? But here's the magic happens once you install it. So I'm already in Google and I searched water damage restoration. I'll refresh it again. Once this page loads, on the right side, on Google itself, Keywords Everywhere will start showing you other related keywords to your search phrase. So water damage construction, mold and water damage repair, and so forth. It will also show you what else are people searching for that are related to your main search phrase. So water damage restoration cost, tips, and so on. So here's another one I have, roof repair. I'll refresh it again. If I click on the refresh button here, so now we can see what else is that people are looking for related to roof repair. Roof repair Alpharetta, of course, that's because I'm in Alpharetta, and that's why I'm seeing these local results. So that's another good thing. When you do this in your area, you'll see results related to your area more than anything else. Although it'll say global results, but then again, I always notice that most of these results are coming closer to your area. So Alpharetta roofing, leaking roof repair cost, roof leak repair cost, and so on. So let's do another one. Let's say if I'm looking for mold removal. We've done that a few times before. And the only reason I do similar searches again is so you get an idea. You can be searching for anything else from floor cleaning to teeth whitening, cosmetic dentistry, dental implants. It doesn't matter. The strategy remains the same. Okay, so I did mold removal and it says mold removal products, mold removal DIY, mold removal companies. That's a good one for a business owner or for a business that provides mold removal services. And of course, all these here, how to remove mold from painted walls. See, now these can be good blog posts. How to remove mold from unfinished wood. How to get rid of mold spores in the air. Especially if you provide services related to these how-tos. You can always write a blog post and share it on social media. If people like what they read, it might go viral. So maybe one quick one here, basement waterproofing. Oh, not for rent. And as you can see here, keywords related to basement waterproofing. So you get the idea. This is another free tool that you can use, a free extension in Google Chrome. I think they also have this in Firefox, but I only use Chrome. And maybe your competition is not aware of all this. So they might be doing search engine optimization, but not to the effect now that you can do going through all these tools and videos. I'm hoping that you will use it to your advantage, and I'll see you in the next video.